With your FamePick Media Kit ready to go, you can start landing brand partnerships and managing your projects from pitch to payment. Here are a few tips and tricks to fine-tune your media kit and up-level your business game. First, you'll want to create a custom URL. Select a vanity URL that matches your personal brand or Instagram account name. But choose wisely because you can only change it once. This is your custom link and will always lead brand managers directly to your media kit to submit sponsored content proposals or contact you about other opportunities. Once you have your URL, you should put it anywhere brands will find you. Let's get those deals out of your DMs by placing your URL in the website section of your Instagram bio. If you remove your email from your bio, brands will submit all of their requests through your media kit, eliminating the risk of messages getting buried in your email or lost in your DMs. Add your URL to your email signature to direct brands to submit offers through your FamePick Media Kit. That way, all of your brand deals are in one place and can be managed through your campaign dashboard. Use your custom URL to proactively pitch brands you really want to work with on sponsored content. Include your link in email outreach to brand managers. While other creators are sending links to their Instagram account, you're sending real data and showcasing your personal brand in a professional way. Our creators have landed deals with brands they've wanted to work with for years. We're thrilled you're part of the FamePick community. Let's get those deals out of your DMs and into your bank account.